Hi, I'm Madeline Smeaton, reporting for JR 103. Scientists at MIT are developing a new spacesuit called the biosuit that would revolutionize space travel as we know it. Spacesuits must do two things: provide oxygen and pressure against your skin. Current spacesuits do this through a balloon. They are filled with oxygen, which allows the astronauts to breathe and also provides pressure against their skin. The problem is they make mobility extremely difficult. The biosuit would change this by finding new ways to provide the needed pressure. It would greatly improve mobility, making it more likely for astronauts to live on the moon and go to Mars. We traveled to MIT's Kavli Institute for Astrophysics to get a closer look.
This is what it would be like to try and bend your knee in a spacesuit. You would still wear a helmet that's full of gas to enable you to breathe, but you get the pressure on your skin through a different mechanism, and it's called mechanical counterpressure. You are providing a normal force to your skin, normal force being perpendicular to your skin, so pushing right down on you, but doing it through something that's very tight-fitting, like a piece of material. Improve mobility, 100-fold over a gas pressurized suit. So that will make it far easier to justify going to the moon, because people will be able to run around and do things far more effectively and get far more done than they would have to do if they're fighting a bulky suit. And then we have a treadmill here, and we can see how hard you're working. We can analyze how your gait, how your locomotion change when you're running in altered gravity. If you compress the upper ring, and then you compress the one below it, and then the one below it, and you have sort of this time sweep of compression down your arm, you can force blood flow into your hand. And there are so many therapies that are based around the concept of increasing blood flow leads to healing. That's a demonstrated fact. You can augment or increase your mobility characteristics. Even though natively the suit wouldn't do that, you could certainly imagine building extra layers on there where it would do something like that. Make this sort of a superhuman suit. Makes it very easy to get up and go to work every day, because it's directly contributing to a cause that I think is very important and very interesting.
The ideas and concepts behind the suit are sound. The problem is, there is no existing material that could provide the pressure needed to keep an astronaut safe. And if you did have a material that was this tight, how would you put it on? For his PhD project, Brad Hulshaw is trying to figure solutions to these problems and make the biosuit a reality. I'm Madeline Smeaton from Boston, and you're watching JR 103.